Let's learn to write Chinese with MonkeyWrite. Follow the stroke numbers to get started. 1, 2, 3. Here, I've written the character for mountain. Let's try again without the stroke numbers. Let's see. Oops, that was wrong. But it's okay, MonkeyWrite tell me which one I should be doing. When I'm done with this character, I can go to the next one. MonkeyWrite comes with an introduction workbook with these characters. When you're finished, go back to the bookshelf and download some more. Click on the workbook you like, and you'll be brought to the market to download it. That's MonkeyWrite. I hope you like it.